Hey, Dana Epp here. What if I told you that the most effective way to find vulnerabilities in source code isn't about reading it line by line? Would you believe me? I mean, if you follow the gurus on social media, apparently you're supposed to be some sort of an expert who can look at some god awful cryptic block of code and find some tricky mistake. The truth is, that's not what happens in the real world. Code is written by people, and people make mistakes. The fact is, those mistakes leave clues. During the next AppSec Days Pacific Northwest Conference, I'm hosting a free half-day hands-on workshop dedicated to the art of finding security vulnerabilities in code. You're going to learn to look for these clues right in that code. You will experience firsthand how to do data flow analysis and taint tracing to find ways to exploit it. You will learn to understand what areas in code are more likely to contain security bugs and practice using tools of the trade to help you find them. By the end of the workshop, you should have enough practical knowledge and skill to go back to work and look at your code more offensively. So come join me. Let's pwn all the things together. Register for AppSec Days Pacific Northwest today. I'll see you there.